Alright, today we're at the Marriott Denver Tech Center. This is the 2 queen guest room, corner room with balcony. So as you walk in, as you can see, there's a lot of space in here. Over here you have a dining area where you can eat breakfast or dinner or whatever you want to do, and it overlooks the parking lot. It's snowing outside, so you have a pretty nice view. You walk over here, you have a little counter space which we've laid our snacks on and stuff over there. You walk this way, you have 2 queen beds, a very spacious room, a nice size flat screen TV over there. You have some drawer space under here. Over here is your safe to put your safe belongings. You have your desk area where you can work on your laptop or do whatever you need to do over here. Over here, you have your refrigerator where you can store some goods at. Over here, you have 2 lounge chairs. You have a little side bed table over here to plug in all your outlets and stuff, or whatever charges you need to do. Go over there. Over here is your balcony. So you have a balcony which overlooks the city. It's really cold in Denver. As you can see, there's snow everywhere. When you walk back this way, we passed up the bathroom. So you have a bathroom over here, shower area over here, and over here you have a closet. And again, we're at the Denver Marriott Tech Center. This is the 2 queen guest room, corner room with balcony. So, hope you guys enjoyed the room tour, and we'll see you at the next one. See you guys later.